Oh! Oh no! I did it on purpose. Look, you can see it better. Hello and welcome to another Ernie's Journeys, where we answer the question, where will the journey take us? Today, the journey takes us here. We're going to be going west on Route 2 today. I want to come back and definitely go east on Route 2 as well, because there's lots of really cool things to see along the way there. But today we're just going to go up west on Route 2 and then onto Route 3 to see what's there, heading into New Hampshire. Let's go. Beginning in the town of Bethel, we're going to be at the junction for Route 26 into Route 2. We're going to be following Route 2 all the way to Route 3 from Bethel into New Hampshire, just to see where the journey takes us. At this memorial, dedicated to, I think this is to Union soldiers during the Civil War. Yes, it would be because of the dates. Is this dedication in grateful recognition to all the men and women who have honorably served our country in times of war and peace. This is really neat. It goes through all the wars that our country has fought in, dating back to the American Revolution, War of 1812, the Mexican-American War, the American Civil War. This is amazing. Normally you just see monuments to the quote-unquote big ones, you know, like World War I and World War II, the Civil War, but it also has all of these others. This continues on over here. It's the Korean War in Vietnam. Well, kind of a happy find for me. I was taking some footage here of the square in Bethel, and this place is here, and I didn't know it. Unfortunately, I ate breakfast before I started heading out today, and I wish that I hadn't, because I totally would have gotten some food from Les Moux. But I'm going to grab a limeade, because their food is delicious, and their drinks are really good too. Let's look at their menu here. I have heard lots of really good things about their food. I might get a snack. I'm not that hungry because I ate, but it smells really good. The limeade. I couldn't resist. I had to order some food while I was here. It smelled really good. So I've got my limeade. Oh, that's good. And I got the Tato Nomiyake, which is double fried potato wedges with chili aioli, katsu barbecue sauce, furikake, I'm not sure what that is, scallions, and cabbage slaw. It sounds really good. This is perfect for a good summer day. So there's a brick and mortar version opening up soon in Auburn.
Yeah.
That's awesome. I will definitely be there. It sounds good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. You too. I'm super excited to have tons of delicious food in hand. I'm not even that hungry, but this is a good day. Look at this. Perfect for a summer day. I gotta hand it to the staff. They are incredibly friendly. Very, very nice people. They're so excited to hear that they're opening up an actual like brick and mortar location in Auburn. So we'll definitely go back out there and try some of the food and have a sit down when we're able to. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, guys. Holy crap, look at this. Can I show you this? Can I show you this? Look at that. Oh, that's cool. The little spoon that they give you is made out of bamboo. Ooh. So there's like It looks like cheese sauce, but I don't know how to describe it. It's not. If it's cheese, it's like it's kicked up cheese. It's good. No, it's tangy. It's not cheese sauce. It's tangy. It's creamy. Mmm. And the fries on their own are very good. They're crispy on the outside and warm and soft on the inside. What a win. That. Oh! Oh no! I did it on purpose. Look, you can see it better. The food is so good it knocked my little stand down. That's alright. Happy accident, see? You can watch me eat the food better. I think that's lemongrass. The slaw. It's not spicy. It's a very savory slaw. I love the red onions. They're sliced very thin. This is worth getting sideways over. I might be part Hobbit. Second breakfast. Lemu is Asian fusion food. It has roots in Laos. Oh, it's so good. Sometimes limeade is really acidic and kind of burns the back of your throat. This is smooth. There's a right balance of sugar and limes in it. That's good. Hey, also, these guys are right next to Steam Mill Brewing Company, which is a local craft brewery here. So get some delicious Asian fusion cuisine and have a cold beer to go along with it. What a perfect combination. Here we are going west on Route 2. If I see anything cool along the way, we'll be stopping. Check this place out. So this is Mountain Greenery Greenhouse and Garden Shop. Here, I'll show you the sign.
Thank you so much.
They're located on Route 2. Let's go walk around and take a look inside. I love these things. These remind me of the birds in Alice in Wonderland. They were used like golf clubs. This is a really neat little store. I like it a lot. Wow, this is neat. It smells wonderful in here. I like that they have everything sectioned off so it's really easy to know which way to go. All these herbs. Parsley, thyme, different kinds of thyme, some tarragon over here, chamomile here. Good to see businesses doing a good job of making things feel safe for everyone during everything that's going on. So this is the vegetable greenhouse. These are leeks and celery and some cilantro. Different kinds of cucumbers. There's the rosemary. And little baby watermelons. Oh, and my favorite right here. I wish I was better at growing things, because I sure would love to have a basil plant in my house. It is so cool. How did someone come up with these? I kind of like this room because it's really cool in here. It's a hot day today, or at least it feels like it right here where we are. Maybe it's just because I was in that greenhouse. I just noticed the name of that little building that I was in has this big banner outside and it says Gizmos. I guess that's the name of the building, the Gizmo building. If you see this sign, you see it open, definitely stop in. I'll put a link to their Facebook information down in the description below. So I think that's just about going to wrap it up for today. We're going to split this up into 2 videos because I feel like I've already captured enough footage that this could end up being a 30-minute video. Let's call this a part 1. Thank you so much for watching Ernie's Journeys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Videos post every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Join us next time where we answer the question, where will the journey take us?